morning all of you. Today we are going to discuss about an important topic of our fourth chapter, metals. We also discuss about examples of some metals. Today we discuss properties of metal. Okay. Some properties of metal. Haven't you noticed that aluminum foil are used to wrap chocolates and sweets? Aluminum is a metal. Which properties of aluminum is utilized here? You have an idea? We know that aluminum foil is very thin sheet. That is, aluminum is beaten into thin sheet by using hammer. Okay, these properties is called malleability. What is malleability? Malleability means metal can be beaten into thin sheet by hammering. This process or property is known as malleability. I repeat once more. Metal can be beaten into thin sheet by hammering. The properties of the metal is known as malleability. Okay, isn't it? Next properties of metal is ductility. So, what is malleability? Malleability is the metal can be beaten into thin sheet and the properties of by hammering the properties is called malleability. Gold have higher malleability. Okay, gold have higher malleability. Okay, next ductility. Ductility means metal can be drawn into fine wires. These properties of metals are called ductility. Metal can be drawn into fine wires or thin wires. These properties of the metals are called ductility. Okay, we know that the filament of bulb are made up of thin wire. That thin wire is known as tungsten. Why we use to make filament we use tungsten? Because tungsten is a metal, it can be drawn into a fine wires. Hence we use tungsten for filament of electric bulb. Okay. The third property is hardness. Third property is hardness. We know that almost all metals are very hard. Examples: copper, iron, aluminium are some examples of hard metal. But we can easily cut some metals with knife. We can easily cut some metals with knife. These types of metals are called soft metal. Soft metals means we can easily break these metal using knife. These types of metals are called soft metal. Examples: sodium, potassium, phosphorus, like gallium, cesium, lithium are examples of soft metal. Okay, sodium, potassium, phosphorus, gallium, cesium, lithium are the some examples of soft metal. Okay, so we discussed three properties: first malleability, then ductility, then hardness. Okay, are you clear? Any doubt? Okay, next we discuss fourth properties. When we take sodium metal and cut into two pieces, the newly formed surface of the sodium is become very shiny. And also freshly forming surface of copper and iron also become very shining appearance. This shining appearance of the metal is known as metallic luster. What is? That is the fourth properties of metal, metallic luster. Metallic luster means newly formed surface of the metals become very shiny. These properties of the metals are called metallic luster. Okay, so we discuss 4 points. First one, malleability, ductility, hardness of the metal. Examples of hard metal is copper, iron, aluminium, and soft metal sodium, potassium, phosphorus, cesium, gallium, lithium, etc. And the fourth property is metallic luster. What do you mean by metallic luster? The newly formed surface of the metal become very shiny. These properties of the metals are called metallic luster. Okay. Next we discuss fifth property. Fifth one. We know that we commonly use metallic vessels for cooking. Which properties of the metal is utilized here? We know that metals conduct heat or metal pass heat through it. So we use metal vessels for cooking. Is the fifth properties of the metal. That means metal conduct heat. What do you mean by thermal conductivity? Thermal conductivity of a metal. Thermal conductivity of metal is metal conduct heat. So we use metal for cooking, metal vessels for cooking. So metals are thermal conductor. Thermal conductor. These are the fifth properties of metal. Okay, so today we discussed 5 properties of the metal, that is malleability, ductility and hardness of the metal, and also what is metallic luster and thermal conductor. Metal is a thermal conductor. Okay, that's all today. Thank you. Have a nice day.